In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the high beam bulb on your Volkswagen Passat. This is going to be located in the headlight assembly. Let's get started. Remove the cap, pull straight off, push on the tab, pull straight back, pull the bulb straight out, install the bulb into the connector, line it up and push it straight in. Be sure that this square tab lines up with the top of the assembly. We're going to drop the top in first, push the bottom in until it clicks, give it a pull, make sure it's locked on, and install the cover. Be sure the cover is fully seated, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.